guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys an experiment of a volcano experiment. So the materials you need are citric acid and some baking soda and water and a volcano dormant and some glasses if you want and some measuring spoons. And if you have the measuring spoons, you can use the blue one because you need 5 mLs only. And then a cup which has mLs on it. And they also have the menu of it, so you can order it on Amazon because I got this whole kit from Amazon. So first, if you have the glasses or any science experiment glasses, you can put them on. And then you're going to take the water. You're going to pour, it has to be 4 mLs, 40 mLs. You're going to pour it into the big cup. And then you're going to do 5 drops of red fruit coloring. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. And you're going to close it up. You're going to mix it nicely because you want it to explode all over here. And it's going to look like this if you need it to know how it will look like. It's going to look like red. Take the measuring spoon and put the citric acid. So you're going to open it. And then you see it says 5 mLs. So you're going to take the one with the 5 mLs and pour some. Let me use my other hand. And then you're going to pour it into the middle of it. And then you also need some baking soda. So you're going to close the cap of it in. And if you guys want this kit, they're available at Amazon. So you're going to take it, the baking soda, and then you're going to pour it into that, and you're going to put it into the middle. And then that's enough for both of them. So you're going to put it back in. And you're going to make sure the red liquid is mixed up properly. Then you're going to take 2 to 3 spoons of it. And then pour it into it. You see that? So if I put a little more, it can explode. See, it's coming down. See, it's coming all down. See? And then that's enough. And then it's exploding all over. That's the volcano.